guys, welcome back. So today I think I'm going to try to do a 10-minute makeup challenge. I do a 5, but I don't have the foundation here that I want yet. So I have the iPad. I'm gonna pull up a timer. Let's see. Which one should I do?
There you go.
Which one?
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes. Okay, he picked this one. That noise? When it has noise. Okay, stop. Go back. Okay, so. I should have you push the button, but I got it.
I'll push the button.
Okay. I've got this warming up. Alright. Push it when you're ready.
1, 2.
I'm gonna fail, I already know it. I did cheat a little bit and already put primer on.
At least you're honest.
I need more. I need more. So I ordered the stick foundation yesterday. And that'll make this 10 times easier if I try to do this in the future.
Nice.
I guess I should look at my mirror and stop looking at my phone.
Mirror's deceiving. Or the phone's deceiving.
A little bit. This color is a little off. I need to go outside. Looks better in the phone than it does in the mirror.
If you can't make it, fake it. But if you can get the real thing, bake it. Wish it wasn't so cloudy.
Hey, at least it's not raining. Oh my gosh, last night was awful. So we were under, I don't think the tornado warning ever hit us, but there was a tornado warning in the counties like right next to us and south of us. And then
Our basement
we were under
leaks, like legitimate holes.
Have you guys ever played that game on the Kinect where you have to like bounce around and move your hands to stop the leaks? That's basically like what our basement did last night in one corner.
It kept going. It did. I kept stuffing it full of the holes full of little plastic balls.
Like,
And then boop, there's another one. It's like, dang, I need an earring.
it was horrible. Because I started to load laundry late. Well, I mean, it wasn't late, but late for me to start laundry. And so it was like, I don't know, 11 o'clock or so. And I asked Chris if he wants to run down with me. And we go down and, the basement was flooded. I mean, it wasn't horrible. Like, it was wet.
It happened when we got down there.
And we were down there for probably close to an hour. And then,
Sucking water up.
all of a sudden, I don't know what happened. It was like, I don't know. But then, yeah. The water just started pouring in. And we probably sucked out like almost 300 gallons in
300 to 400.
300 to 400 gallons in like, we were down there maybe 2 hours. But it was just, we were down there and like it wasn't super bad, but it was still like, okay, we got to get some stuff moved. And
We rigged up a nice low electricity pump that continued.
never again.
Had it pumping into a tote.
If I figure out how to insert a picture, I'll insert a picture of my neighbor's yard. The river is starting to seep up into their yard.
So we have, right now we have about 3,500 watts and dehumidifiers running in the basement.
Yeah,
we got 3 dehumidifiers.
3 dehumidifiers running downstairs.
One small, one medium, and one great big one.
Oh, it's a hot mess.
Hopefully, we'll be able to get it dry with the dehumidifiers that we have, but Good thing for our collection over the years, huh?
I'm just glad that I ended up going downstairs because that could have been really bad.
Yeah. We rescued a bunch of stuff. There was some inventory that got destroyed.
Oh.
Tables.
But we don't own the house, so I mean, like, I can't be. I know I'm doing a challenge. I gotta wipe off my hands. It's driving me crazy. So I have like 5 minutes, 40 seconds left. It was rough.
Yeah, we'll show you pictures.
Well, I can show you the picture of the neighbor's yard. I really don't have any pictures of last night.
Oh, I'm sure it'll happen again.
I don't say that. We're like rain the next like 10 days, and
We are so in for it.
and they warned us that like the basement does flood.
I didn't, but I really didn't think it was going to be like hitting the holes on the battleship.
And then it's an older farmhouse. Like the person that built it, I guess there used to be like a train track or something that ran through the back. And the person that built it, they have a coal, I can't think of what it's called right now, a coal something. Like a coal chute.
Yeah.
Or something. Well, what I'm trying to get at is that,
Water came blowing in.
yeah, the basement doors, they're like, you know, the old style like cellar doors. Water was pouring in through that. That was fun.
It's definitely worth it though.
At least it was just that little corner and not like, I don't know, it could have been worse. Could have been a hell of a lot worse.
At least there was only 2 tables that got damaged. That was only like $50 worth of damage in like 2 hours of our time.
Trying to pull out totes and just, oh my gosh. Let's see. So I haven't used this palette before. So I've got lots of fun little colors to choose from. I think the last time I used it, I tried to do the black. Yeah, I'm not doing that again. I see you.
I see you.
Oh man, I'm starting to get nervous. I'm almost done. So that was our excitement. Didn't end up going to bed till after 2. Mr. Chris was up even later than that.
I had to. Too many problems with the network.
Trying to get all the vehicles put away, and it was just a rough night last night.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I still have to move that. Oh, man, that felt good.
I don't know, I kind of like that. It's kind of like a plummy color. Let's see, I'll do some of this.
You know, when you put makeup on, you really don't get any more beautiful. You're already like naturally beautiful.
Well, thanks,
You're so
babe.
welcome. You're welcome, babe. Got you embarrassed.
I'm not trying to do it to look any more prettier.
Bringing out your inner beauty.
This is, I don't know. Well, I mean, if I'm with Unique, I might as well use it, right?
Yep.
At least now you can't be like, you have this bag full of makeup that you don't use.
Oh man, she.
Ipsy! Oh, I love Ipsy. I haven't got it in a few months because I started doing Unique.
And like.
I have a whole bag. I'll show you when I'm done.
Yeah.
I have a whole bag full. I like it. It's like a gift. I don't know. It's fun. They know. I'm sure somebody watching.
Oh, I know it's fun. You can do all kinds of stuff.
Ooh, I should have got this warm because it's clumpy.
Warm it up.
I can't. I'm almost out of time. Once I get the stick foundation, I'm totally going to do a 5-minute one. It's hard when you have to do the foundation and concealer. This is a relaxing timer.
I could have put it under my boob.
You could have. Well, see, I don't know, best results, get it warm, but like, I don't know, I don't feel like I get it warm enough in mine.
I always put it in my hands. Freaking hands are like the 11s. You do such a good job.
Thanks. Oh, God, my eyes are sticking together. These are dry. "30 seconds." And. Oops. This is stuff that smells like beer. Setting spray. I'm done. Made it.
06.
We did it. That was a little bit easier than I was expecting. But I also don't do my eyebrows. So, all right. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to go grab this real quick.
Dun 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 dun.
So this is
dun.
the bag that I have. Okay, so this is my bag that I have full of unique stuff. This is the bag I have full of Ipsy stuff. And this was from, oh gosh, I think almost a year. There was a couple months that I skipped. But I mean, well, that's not Ipsy. And neither was that. But I have just, well, that's not Ipsy either. I lied. I just have tons of stuff. Just nail polish, face mask, kids trying to bomb my video. What's this? Like cream shadows. Just tons of stuff.
We might have to make a video of that.
So now that I don't get my Ipsy bag anymore, well, I mean, I don't know. I haven't in a couple months.
So if y'all think that she should make a video about like what she's gotten from them, let her know.
No, because they probably all seen it. Because they probably get it too. But
Maybe.
I hope you like. My hair's a hot mess, but it's
gorgeous.
humid. I'm hot. But here's the, it doesn't look that bad. But thank you guys for watching. We will see you in our next video.